Namaskaragal. As per the UNESCO Declaration of 17th November 1999, every year 21st February is observed as the International Mother Language Day. Hence, to recall the importance of the day, in this second episode of the Matukate program of Sudhana Kittel Center for Development Studies, an attempt has been made to put forward my views on mother tongue or mother language. Generally, when a person is child, the language he learns from his parents is known as mother tongue or mother language. This is not the first language a child learns in school. At the time of his birth, the language for which he opens up first is called the mother tongue. Accordingly, if a child in his house grow up with the two languages, those two languages become its mother tongue. In some countries, rather than a person's first language, the language of his race is considered as its mother tongue. Mother tongue is not just one's first language. If a language from which another language derives, the original language is considered as the mother language. So, many may be curious to know how did the word mother tongue originate and get its name. According to Ivan Leach, the term mother tongue was first used by Catholic monks to designate a particular language they used. Instead of Latin, when they are speaking from the pulpit, that means the Holy Mother, the Church, introduced this term mother language. In most of the places of India, more than the mother tongue, the local language or provincial language is considered as the mother tongue. So it is common for many to be curious to know what is mother tongue education. If education is given in a language or languages of a child's multiple use or acquaintance, that education is called mother tongue education. It does not have to be language spoken by mother. Instead, it is child's home language or natively spoken language. In many cases, it is more than one. But today, the opportunities for the individual since been opened up internationally, much emphasis has been placed on multilingual education along with the mother tongue education. In this case, the main point we need to know is if education is given in the mother language, what is its benefit? Studies on the importance of mother tongue education shows that to the holistic development of a child, for the augmentation of knowledge, for learning other languages, to accelerate learning and to enhance the sense of self-respect and to increase the parental involvement in child's learning, the education should be imparted in mother language. Hence, the child enjoys learning more often in the school. In the mother tongue education system, since there is an opportunity for the multilingual learning, today mother tongue based multilingual education system is in use and in many parts of the world. That is, a new educational policy has been implemented which allows for learning of many languages in classroom with the emphasis on learning the mother tongue. It is said that it is giving good results. Today, everywhere in the world, when multilingual students learn, a particular model of education system is not compatible in all cases. I think that the mother tongue based multilingual education system may give a solution to the mother tongue or mother language problem in the primary level education, because mother language is the language of heart and mind. Thank you for listening this video. Please subscribe, like and share with others.